Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a civil faculty here. So let's start a video. So today I am just going to discuss about the SketchUp. In SketchUp we are having one option called that is solid tools. About solid tools I am just going to teach how it will get works. So just let's start this one. Before going to solid tools, what I'll do here, I'll make some form for this one. So by using this rectangle shape, I'll make one form here. Now I made it one rectangle. For this one I'll convert into group. Now I have converted into group. For this one again I'll edit this one. After editing I'll just give the form to the 3D form to this one. Once if I'll give a 3D form to this one, now I'll just copy this one here. Now I have copied here. After copying this one, again I'll select this one. I'll copy for multiple 5 times. I'll just copy X 5. Why I just copied 5 times? Because here 5 types of solid tools is there. For that one I just copied 5 here. So now first let's see start this one. So first option it is there here, that is outer shell. Outer shell is nothing but it is like a group object. Like say if I select this one and this one, now it will create like one completely group here. So second option it is there here, that is union. Union is nothing but, so same thing, intersect. Intersect is nothing but, now if I select this object and this one, now it will get intersect. So remaining center portion it will get remain. So that is called intersect here. So next option it is there here, that is union. Union is also same thing like a solid group only. So for that I'll select this one and this one. Now see same thing, it will create like a outer shell only. So next it is there here, that is subtract. Subtract is nothing but it will get subtract from this object here. Now if I take this one, now if I select this object and this one, now it will get subtracted from this one. Now next here it is this, see now next it is there here, that is trim. Trim is nothing but same thing like subtract only, but it will get trim only this object. Now it will get see now if I move this object from here to there, now you can see this one, this portion is trim and this portion is remain same. So next it is there here, that is split. Split is, see now if I select this object and this one, now you can see this one, if I select and if I move this object from here to here, now it is splitted with this and this splitted portion is showing here. So this is called solid tools. This is the use of solid tools. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribe our channel, like our videos, share our video. Thank you so much.